I'm making Cajun crawfish bread, and it's so good. You're gonna love it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Okay, so butter, finely minced onion, very finely minced garlic, Cajun seasoning, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, green onion, and my parsley. And this is the cheese mixture, which is Monterey Jack with peppers plus Parmesan, and 1 pound of crawfish tails, which I have squeezed to get all the juice out. All right, we're going to start with butter. We'll melt this in the skillet. Add a finely minced onion. And then finely minced garlic. You want this very fine because it is going on top of the bread. You don't want to bite into large pieces of onion. I added another tablespoon of butter, so that was a total of 3. Now I'm going to add the crawfish. The crawfish are already cooked, so they'll only go in here long enough to heat through. Add the green onion and parsley. Next, my Cajun seasoning. Mix well. This is heated all the way through. I'm going to add the cream cheese. That's an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Mix this until the cream cheese is melted completely and it's all blended well. Alright, so that looks really good. We'll now spread this evenly on the 2 halves of French bread, which I already put the mayonnaise on each one. Divided the mayonnaise and put it on each one. This turned out so well. I was so pleased with it. It tasted so good. And then you can cut this in strips when we're done. You know, after it's baked and when it's done. And it could be served as an appetizer or with just about any dish. I put that foil there because that piece of bread wanted to fall over and I wanted it to stay up straight. I didn't want my topping falling off. Now we're going to put the Monterey Jack cheese that's mixed with Parmesan on top. And sprinkle it with sweet paprika. You could sprinkle some cayenne on here, but if you have people that don't like that kind of heat, you might want to skip it. Into the oven for about 25 minutes until the cheese has melted. And then we'll put the broiler on for just a couple of minutes and brown it up a little. So I very gently cut through the cheese and then press down hard the rest of the way. That way I didn't pull all that cheese off. This was really good. Everyone really liked it. Cajun crawfish bread. Who doesn't like crawfish? Well, actually, a lot of people don't. But those of us who do, we love them any way that we can get them. And this is a good example. Cheesy, spicy crawfish ladled on French bread. This is a great appetizer or side for any Cajun meal. It's rich, creamy, and just plain delicious. And if you're planning on having a party, like maybe a Super Bowl party, you need something like this to add to your table. You can find this recipe along with others, like my crawfish balls, enchilada dip, or Louisiana pecan pie, on my website, darlenestable.com. Sorry for the shameless plug, but it's all there with printable recipes and links to my YouTube channel. Please give this recipe a try soon and let me know what you think. So until next time, God bless, and I hope to see you again soon, right here on Darlene's Table.